cloud shadow today, so I'm running a little late. Hey guys, this is Jeremiah Strong from Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures. I'm here today. Turkey season is Monday, and it's, what day is it? It's Wednesday right now. So we got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We got 5 days until turkey season, and let me tell you, I am so pumped up. It's not even funny. I'm feeling great about this season. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna get a lot of kills on video. We're gonna give you guys a show. And I want to go and talk about calling tips. Give you kind of some tips and tricks of the trade, and kind of want to go over you know, what calls to use, when to use it, how to use it, and that sort of thing. First of all, I want to talk about early season. Early season, you don't really want to get super aggressive with it. You can, and it really won't hurt, but they're not used to that yet because they're naturally not in that aggressive state when it's super early in season. You want to wait more about mid-season, and then late season you want to dial it back again. You don't want to be as aggressive during late season. So first, let's talk about locators. This is a hoot owl call, and I'm going to tell you something. This is a great thing to have in your arsenal. It's the hunter specialties, the hooter, and but basically, this is a good locator call early in the mornings before the sun comes up. You want to go and you want to blow the tone. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you too? And it gets them to gobble. It's a great locator. You know. They gobble, you hear them, you think, okay, well, he gobbled that way, let's head that way, let's start going. Now, a mistake that a lot of hunters make is when after they hear it gobble, they want to put a mouth call in their mouth and start calling as they're walking to it, and that is a no-no, because naturally, in nature, when a hen's ready to go, when a hen's ready to make love, that gobbler's going to wait, and that hen naturally goes to it. Okay, and so if you want the gobbler to come to you, you can't call as you're walking to it. You need to locate it, get to walking, and once you get close enough, that's when you start your calling. When you get there, let's talk about mouth calls for a second. Now, obviously, mouth call is the most versatile call. You can do anything. You got your basic yelps. You got your purrs. Got your clucks. You can cut with it. This is number one. You really need to learn how to use a mouth call. You can do basically anything with it. And something I also want to talk about, after you locate it and it's still real early in the morning before the sun comes up, if you get too aggressive and too loud with your yelps in the mornings, that gobbler's just going to wait on that hen to come up while he's still in the tree. So early morning, you hoot owl call, you get there, you get set up, you say, okay, well, he's right over there. You don't want to go into it. You don't want to go into it doing this. You want to do that because he's going to wait on you to come. You need to start soft and slow and just really, just... And in those situations, after he gobbles, I'd even wait 5 to 10 minutes in between each call. But you need to start soft early in the morning. I can't stress that enough. Start soft. Another good thing to have when it comes to starting soft is a slate call. You know, this is my favorite slate call. It's the Primos Purple Haze. It's got a real smooth sound. You can get real soft with it. Then you can really crank down on it when you're ready. But this is really good to have. Like I said, you get set up and then you just start soft with it, so that gobbler knows, okay, well, there's a hen, but she ain't coming to me. She's too far for that. She ain't coming to me. So that you know, slate calls, really soft slate calls with wood strikers. That's the best thing to have, the best thing to do. Now, a box call, on the other hand, this is more for loud range stuff and long range stuff. You know, this is a good locator too. This is a good locator when you early season calling tips. Won't go too much in depth, but want to talk about early in the morning when it's early season. You know, you roosted some birds that night, and you know you know where they're gonna be and what they're doing. When you have a gobbler on the limb, you cannot get too aggressive. I can't stress that enough. When you got a gobbler on the limb, naturally in nature, okay, the hen is going to go to the gobbler. So turkey hunting, you're already breaking the status quo trying to get that gobbler to come to the hen sound. Okay, so early in the morning, when that gobbler's still on that limb, he's not going to come to you if it's he's not going to do that, because he's going to think, hey, that hen's aggressive, she's on the ground and she's coming to me. Instead, you need to tone it back a little bit and just a little bit, and that way he knows that, hey, she's awake, she might be down. He'll wait for a few minutes, then you call again, he'll probably wait, and then once he flies down, he says, why ain't that hen here? Same thing can happen with a slate call. This is a Primos Purple Haze. It's a real nice sounding call, real smooth. Same thing, you don't want to crank down on it. You don't want to do that. Just give it a little real soft early in the morning, and once you get towards the midday and you're trying and you know where they're at and you need to cover a little bit of ground, then you can really hanker down on it. Same thing with a box call, same thing with, you know, any turkey call. Not too aggressive early in the morning, and once daytime hits and once they're on the ground, that's when you can start bringing it to them. And hope this helps you guys. Later season, I like to tone it back a little bit too, and you know, just go kill some turkeys with this stuff, man. We're doing this out here to help you guys, so go slay some. So you guys have a wonderful day. We'll catch you in a bit.